The National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, is closely monitoring a fire at the retirement disposal site. The agency says crews are working to bring the blaze under control and restore normal operations as quickly as possible. Sandy Williams reports.
Under intense heat and gusty winds, firefighters and waste management crews are still battling a blaze at the retirement disposal site in St. James. Audley Gordon is Executive Director at the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA.
Based on what I've seen and the report that they have given to me, we are making very good progress, and we are probably about 60 to 70% in terms of progress since morning. We intend to wrap this up in terms of the fire by deep into the night. We have cut the smoke nuisance significantly by about 60%.
The fire is believed to have been sparked by waste delivered by a collection truck on Wednesday. An alarm was quickly raised, triggering an immediate response from on-site workers using available equipment, including a newly commissioned water truck. But even with that early intervention, strong winds and high temperatures have made containment challenging. Approximately 100 meters along the tipping area has been affected as flames spread across compacted waste. Crews have been using soil and other cover material to smother the blaze and prevent further spread.
We are looking at, if the wind allows, we should be able to return to normalcy by sometime tomorrow, early midday-ish to mid-afternoon tomorrow.
The retirement disposal site has a troubling history of fires. Data shows the facility has recorded multiple fires over the years, including incidents in 2018, 2020, 2021, and 2022. Going even further back, the site was the scene of a major fire in 2013, when sections containing household waste and tires burned for days, sending thick smoke into nearby communities. And in 2017, retirement was again among several disposal sites affected in a wave of fires across the island within just a few months. Despite mitigation efforts over the years, the risk has remained. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.